Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an online store with Wix AI so you can build a high-end studio storefront in 2026, automate your product descriptions, and launch a professional e-commerce business without the amateur quality stress of manual setup. Let's get into it. First, start the AI onboarding chat. The first step is a mechanical necessity for the 2026 workflow. By chatting with the Wix AI, you candidly define your professional brand and store objectives before the first pixel is even placed. Log into your Wix dashboard and click Create New Site. When prompted, choose Start with AI. The AI assistant will ask you a series of questions about your business. Be specific. Mention if you are selling digital technical software tutorials, physical 2026 gear, or professional market analysis reports. The 2026 AI uses your candid answers to technically select the right apps for your store, such as Wix Stores, Wix Payments, and inventory management tools, ensuring a professional studio setup from day one. Next, generate your high-end studio design. In 2026, you don't pick a template, you direct the AI to generate a custom design that matches your professional identity. Once the chat is complete, click Generate Site. The technical engine will create a complete site structure, including a homepage, shop page, and professional about section. If you don't like the first look, click Regenerate or Shuffle for a new 2026 aesthetic. The AI is technically pairing color palettes and typography to match your expert tone. It removes the amateur quality risk of mismatched fonts and creates a high-end studio feel instantly. Next, add products with AI-generated descriptions. Populating your 2026 store with inventory is no longer a manual bookkeeping headache. You can candidly use AI to write your sales copy and enhance your high-end visuals. Go to your store dashboard, click Products, and then Add Product. Enter your product name and a few keywords, like 4H Swing Trade Tutorial 2026 PDF. Click the Add AI Text button. The AI technically creates compelling descriptions that are optimized for 2026 SEO. It saves hours of data entry and ensures your professional market analysis products sound authoritative and high-end. And that's pretty much it. To create an online store with Wix AI in 2026, start by chatting with the AI to define your professional brand and store requirements. Let the technical engine generate your studio design, then use the AI tools to add products and descriptions with zero manual bookkeeping. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.